Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete search history on YouTube. Let's get started. Open YouTube on your mobile device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are using the correct account where you wish to delete your search history. If not, tap on Switch Accounts to easily switch between accounts. Once you're in the correct account, tap on the settings icon at the top. Select Manage All History. Your default browser will open up, redirecting you to the history page. There are two ways to delete your search history. You can tap on the cross button next to individual items and confirm the deletion, or tap on the delete dropdown to delete everything at once. Use the second method for efficiency. Tap on the delete dropdown, select delete all time, confirm the deletion by tapping delete at the bottom right corner, and boom, you have successfully deleted your search history on YouTube. Let's confirm if it's actually deleted. Come back to your home screen. Open YouTube. Tap on the search bar. You will notice that none of the YouTube recommendations or previously searched content is available. Everything has been cleared. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.